In this tutorial, we will learn how to add web fonts in our Adobe Edge project. We are into our bouncing ball project, and let's say we want to add some fonts but using web fonts. So first of all, we will add a text here, and for that we will use this text tool and we will place it out here. Just say that's it. Now we want to place it just like here. Make it a little bigger, and that is it. Now when we select this, in this text we see several options are there, but there are no options for adding web fonts. So how to do that? Let's take a look. First of all, we'll go to Google Web Fonts, where they have 613 font families. Let's say we want this Grand Hotel fonts. You can choose any fonts you want to. Once you decide which font to use, click on this Quick Use option. Scroll down a little bit and you will find in the JavaScript tag a little script over here. We will copy the entire script by copying. Go back to our project. Here in the library panel, into fonts, we will click on this little plus button that says add web font. In the embed code, we will paste the code that we have copied from Google Fonts web service. Again, we will scroll down and we will select this entire thing which says Grand Hotel, cursive. We will copy it and go back to the project, and in the font fallback list we will paste it and click on add font. Now we will select our text box here and go to text, and as you can see the Grand Hotel is there. Select it and you can see the effect is applied. Now we want to make it a little bigger and clear. So this is how we do that. Place it and play it. So this is how we can add web fonts using Google Web Font Services in Adobe Edge Animate. Thank you.